Welcome to the Windows channel, and this is the Tech News update for Tuesday, September 19th, 2017. And today in our Tech News update, we have self-driving cars that are, getting more and more attention. Intel and Waymo are actually working and will display fully autonomous driving cars. Intel had said that they wanted to be in that, self-driving car business. Well, it seems that they're really closer and closer in getting there. It is very interesting, as many companies will be introducing self-driving cars. And you're wondering, will there be some winner in there, some company that might, be better than others, or will it be a mix of different cars? Very, very interesting to see the big tech companies that want to be in that business. Well, the Electronics Frontier Foundation, that is basically a foundation that is there to try to help keep the web a better place. Well, they actually have resigned from the World Wide Web Consortium over the fact that digital rights management have been approved for HTML5 and that they are not happy. They say, you know what, we are removing ourselves from that because it seems that the big businesses, the big corporation have corrupted the World Wide Web Consortium in the decision making, and that the EFF just can't cope with that. And they say that major decisions are taken by big businesses, not by regular people that would need to actually take good, clear decisions without being, of course, impacted by the big companies. So, sad, but it is true that we see these big companies taking over and controlling more and more of everything. Nvidia, if you have a Nvidia graphics adapter, if you're working with Windows 10 Insider Preview, the latest push of Nvidia drivers, well, they broke several things. Oh, your PC boots and everything, but Nightlight is not working. If you use an app like Flux, it doesn't work anymore. There are a lot of things, apparently weird colors appearing within games, and this simply shows us one thing: forced driver updates are a bad idea. Outlook.com is back to normal. Europe yesterday suffered many problems with Outlook.com, inability to send or receive messages, and for some people even just connecting to the service. But it seems that most people, it wasn't connecting, it was really using it that was the problem. And it was, kind of on and off during the day yesterday of the problems that they had. Well, now it's fixed, and apparently it's back to normal today, so hopefully you're having a good experience on Outlook.com. Well, Microsoft Dublin will have to actually build its own power generation, and the reason is it seems that the local power in Dublin is just not keeping up with the demand, and because Microsoft is increasing its kind of expansion of the Dublin offices and using more and more power, they need to do something about it. And they say that they will build their own little power plants to actually make the electricity that they need. Of course, my thoughts on this would be that it's probably going to be very, very renewable energy like solar and stuff like that. It's going to be interesting to see how they do it. Well, the FCC is being sued. Yep, the Federal Communications Commission is being sued for a very simple task. They say that in the class action lawsuit that's actually going through, that they failed to listen to the public and failed to do something about the mass uploads of fake comments while they were actually asking people for what they think about net neutrality. They say that this might have biased the decisions and that basically they just didn't care. So I hope it goes through, because you know what? These government offices are there to listen to the people, not the other way around. And actually right now it's the other way around. they do whatever they want, and they just don't listen to people. And that's now not how these government agencies need to operate. So we'll see where that goes. And finally, U.S. submarines will be using Xbox 360 controllers to operate their periscopes. And one of the reasons behind this decision is that many sailors know how to use Xbox controllers because they've played games on it before. And it is interesting because many years ago I had read an article that said that the Army would probably have better soldiers today for one simple reason. The generation of game players will probably have a better, more agility and faster reflexes because of their computer games and console gaming. So this is one example where, okay, we're going to use an Xbox controller because, well, the sailors know how to operate it easily. Very interesting, and I'm sure this is going to be something that's going to expand, and there's going to be more game-like environments within these big controllable machines. So this was the Tech News Update for Tuesday, September 19th, 2017. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, let us know. Thank you for watching.